Sorry about the interruption. So here's our double number line all filled out. So let's come down here to look at what are the two unit rates in this situation. Well, remember this is inches per feet. So we can say there are 12 inches per feet and 1/12 feet per inches. Come on down here, it says convert 132 inches to feet by multiplying by a unit rate. So we're going inches to feet, okay? So we're gonna come down here and we're gonna do 132 inches times 1/12 feet inches, okay? Should equal 132 over 12 feet, because these two inches cancel out, okay? And that should come out to be 11 feet. Go ahead and do number 7 on your own. Pause the video. Okay, I'd also, now that you're back, what you should have gotten for number 7 is 78 inches. Coming down to number 8, go ahead and pause the video. I would like you to do number 8 on your own as well. Now, looking at number 9, it says convert 7.9 meters to centimeters. Well, I also know I'm going meters, which is larger than centimeters. So I'm going large to small. So I'm going to be multiplying because I need to have more centimeters. So if I multiply 7.9 times 100, I'm really just moving this over 2 spots. So it equals 790 centimeters. Go ahead and do numbers 10 and number 11 on your own and pause the video. Number 10, your answer should have been 0.42. Number 11, your answer should have been 3 feet per yard, or 1/3 yard per feet. Let's take a look at number 12. Now they want us to convert 16 feet to yards, and it says using any method, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, if I'm going feet to yards, feet are smaller than yards, so I'm going to have less yards, so I'm gonna divide. 16 divided by 3, and my answer should be 5 1/3 yards, which is smaller than the feet. Go ahead and do number 13 on your own. Pause the video. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the next page. Riley and Kelsey wanted to find the area of their rectangular bedroom. Riley measured the length and Kelsey measured the width. They made the sketch at the right to show their measurements. So one's in yards and one's in feet. Below are the girls' area calculations. So I want to find the area in square yards. So I have to change feet to yards. So this is what she did. Kelsey did the same thing, but now she wants to change hers to yard. Sorry, she wants to change her yards to feet, so she went yards to feet. So now she kind of used the same formulas and just used what she got from up here to come down here. Go ahead and think about Riley and Kelsey's calculations, and then number 15, explain how the diagram at the right shows 1 yard squared equals 9 feet squared. Go ahead and explain how this diagram shows this equation. And then go ahead and do number 16 and number 17 on your own. Pause the video. Okay, lastly, we're going to go ahead and look at page 306, number 18 and 19. We're going to skip the puzzle penguin for now. It says a rectangle has a base length of 3 meters and a height of 15 decimeters. Okay, find the area of the rectangle. So if I draw a little picture, a base height of 3 meters and a height of 15 decimeters, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to calculate that to find the area, but I've got to convert it first. So if I'm going to convert it, deciding if I'm going to go with decimeters or meters, I'm going to go ahead and do both. So I would take decimeters. Now decimeters are typically smaller. They're 1/10 smaller. So if I'm going from decimeters to meters, then I would go, divide. And if I'm going to go meters to decimeters, I would multiply. My answer here should be 4.5 meters squared if I changed it. Or if I changed it to decimeters, it would be 450 decimeters squared. Go ahead and do number 19 all on your own. And pause the video. Once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and get into your 7-12 homework.